happy? Did you all have your breakfast? Okay, all of you, let's clap. Let's clap up. Very good. Let's clap down. Very good. Let's clap side. Very good. Let's clap this side. Very good, kids. Do you all are interested to learn a letter? Yes, today I am going to teach you a letter. Now, I am going to tell you a story. Are you all excited? Yes. See who is here, kids? His name is Ari. Say I, Ari. What is his name? His name is Ari. What is his name? Ari. Hi, Ari. Say all of you, hi, Ari. What is her name? Her name is Henna. What's her name? Henna. Hi, Henna. This Henna and Harry are both the best friends. They got a vacation. They got a holidays. The schools announced them a holidays. They have a big house. All of you show me big house. Yes, they have a big house. They went for the vacation. There they have a farm. They have a shed of the farm. There are many animals there in the shed. They have a horse. What is this, kids? Horse. Then they have a hen. They have a hen. Do you all see hen? Yes, hen. Then they have a hippopotamus. There was a shed. They all, both Henna and Harry went to the big house. One day, you know what happened? The shed of the animals got broken. It was opened and the Henna and Harry was feeling so sad because the favorite animals are running out of the farm. Then what did the Harry and Henna? They took a hammer. What is this? Hammer. What is this? Hammer. Hammer. Yes, they took a hammer and fixed all the nuts were out of the farm. Then they built the house for the animals. Then what happened? They were playing all around the garden of their house. The Henna and Harry was running. Then they saw something over the sky. Do you all know what is that? It's a helicopter. What was running over the sky? Helicopter. It was running. They were trying to track the helicopter. Henna and Harry tracking the helicopter, running fast. Back of them, they were running and tracking the helicopter, but they couldn't reach the helicopter. And what happened? You know, side of the helicopter, they were so tired and sitting. They saw horse running out of the farm. Horse running too. It was running fast. Then Harry and Henna was tensed. They were also running back up to catch the horse. It was running. Harry and Henna also running. They were tired. Three of them were tired. They were saying, what happened? Then Hera and Henny took the horse and put it to the farm. Then they were tired. They were telling, you know what happened after the horse sat? There was hen. Hen also started running out of the shed. Hen also started running. Then Harry and Henna, come Henna. Hen also running. Let's run, both of us. It was running. Three of them were running together. They were trying to catch the cow. Again, three of them got tired and they were saying, all of you say, come on kids, all of you say, what is this? Hen. Hen also became tired. They took the hen and put it in the shed. You know what happened? Again hippopotamus came. How does hippopotamus telling? Oh, it was opening his mouth and yawning. Yawn and shock. If you get sleep, how will you yawn? Yawn. Then hippopotamus is a big mouth. Can you all open me and show big mouth? Can we open? No, we can't. We'll try. Oh, we can't open us like hippopotamus. Then Harry and Henna was shocked. What is this? All the animals are running. How can I catch them? It was running. They catch. Then again they put it in the shed. Then Harry and Henna was tired. They were telling, what is this? It has become like this. Then they took all the farm animals and kept it. They put it in the shed. They were so tired. If you get tired, what will you all do, kids? What action of will do? So Harry and Henna also doing that. They were so tired. Then Harry and Henna found the house. They went to the home and they slept off. So let's recall the animals what all we saw. Let's see. Who is this? This is Harry. This is Henna. What is this? This is hen, kids. What's the hen sound? Hen. Horse. Hippopotamus. Helicopter. Where you all see this? You all see the sky? Yes, it's in the sky. Helicopter. Hammer. So what letter do you all learn now? You all learned letter H. What letter is this? Letter H. What letter is this? This is uppercase H. This is lowercase h. What's the sound of H? What's the action of H? Let's sing the song. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. When you all tired, will you do the action of? Do you all like the story? What's the letter? H. Uppercase H, lowercase h. Now I am going to show you how to write the H. Okay? First is standing line, sleeping line, and the standing line. This is uppercase H. How to write? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Now I will show you the lowercase h. This is Mama H. Now I will show you the baby H. Standing line and the rightward curve. Standing line and a rightward curve. Did you all like the story? What we learned today? We learned the letter H. What's the sound of H? What's the action of H? So, ma'am has given you the worksheet. You should go home and do this. Find and circle the letter H. There is a all mixture of letters in this. You should go and circle only the letter H. What letter will you all circle? Mama H and baby H, which is together. You should circle that. Okay kids, thank you all.